Ever find yourself tripping over a rogue Lego brick or pulling your hair out trying to find that one missing puzzle piece? The chaos of kids' toys can often seem like an insurmountable mountain. However, fear not, for today we delve into the realm of organization, providing a step-by-step guide to help you bring order to the toy-filled chaos. Step 1. Sort and categorize. Much like a librarian would sort books, begin by sorting toys into categories, action figures together, building blocks together, art supplies together, and so forth. This initial sorting step may seem daunting, but it's the foundation of our organizational strategy. Step 2. Purge and donate. Now that everything is sorted, go through each category and consider what toys are no longer in use. If your child has outgrown a toy or hasn't played with it in months, it may be time to donate or recycle it. This step is crucial in reducing clutter and making room for the toys your child actually uses. Step 3. Choose the right storage solution. Once you've sorted and purged, it's time to find the right storage solution for each category of toys. Consider using clear plastic bins for small toys, large baskets for stuffed animals, and shelves for books and games. Remember, the goal is to make it easy for your child to find and put away their toys. Step 4. Label everything. Once you've chosen your storage solutions, it's time to label them. This could be as simple as writing on each bin with a marker, or you could get creative with color-coded labels. This step will not only help your child find their toys, but it will also teach them about organization and responsibility. Step 5. Maintain the system. Now that you've put in all this hard work, don't let it go to waste. Make sure to regularly go through the toys and purge what's no longer needed. Encourage your child to put their toys away in the right place after they're done playing. In summary, organizing kids' toys may seem like a daunting task, but with these 5 steps, sorting and categorizing, purging and donating, choosing the right storage solution, labeling everything and maintaining the system, you can bring order to the chaos. Remember, the goal isn't to create a perfect system, but rather a system that works for you and your child. So take a deep breath, roll up your sleeves, and let's tackle that toy mountain together. You've got this.